Hi guys, welcome to the Baby Cubby. I'm Azlyn and I'm a Cubby mom here at our store. And today we're gonna be going over the Doona SensAlert. But before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below with any questions you have about this product. And remember, you can shop for this product and many more on babycubby.com. Now let's get into it. All right, so what is the Doona SensAlert? The SensAlert is an accessory that you can add to your car seat to prevent you from leaving your child unattended in the car. And I know you're thinking, I never leave my child unattended in the car, but occasionally it does happen, and this is a great way to prevent that. I think in these hotter climates and everything, heat stroke is a real issue, so this accessory is vital to preventing that. The SensAlert detects the presence of your child on board and triggers an alert system when the caregiver moves away from the car. The smartphone loses Bluetooth connection with the SensAlert device. Ultimately, this sends an alert to your phone. SensAlert uses a cloud-based system to call and send messages, so it doesn't even depend on the phone's signal or status. All right, so now we're gonna go over how you're gonna put the SensAlert into your car seat. Right here we have the Doona. This is one of our best-selling car seats. It's an all-in-one stroller and infant car seat, which is super nice. You can just take this thing right out of your car and turn it right into a stroller and go on about your way, which is really nice. And we really love some of these great features on the Doona. To start, we don't have the infant insert in right now. We have the headrest, but when you do place the SensAlert into the Doona, you can leave those infant inserts inside and on the car seat. Just place this right on top. But for right now, we're just gonna show how to put it in the car seat without. So to start, we're gonna unbuckle. So we're gonna take these straps off right here. Then right here, we just have this little lever and we're gonna place it through this hole. So I'm gonna take this and just kind of weave it through. There we go. So it should look something like that, just sitting right on the base of the car seat. And then when you go and clip your child in, they should just be sitting right on top of it, which is just where they're supposed to be. Another thing we love about the Doona SensAlert is that you can use it with other car seats. So right here we have the Doona Rava. It's a convertible car seat. So it's perfect if you're wanting to still use the SensAlert after your baby's outgrown the Doona. So it's really gonna be the same kind of installation. We're just gonna unbuckle here, take these straps off. And this part right here, we're just gonna weave it through here and place that at the base of the car seat, and your child will just sit right on top of it, and it is super, super simple. To assure that you're doing everything correctly and installing correctly and that the SensAlert is compatible with your car seat, make sure to always refer back to your manual and just reread it whenever you can if you're confused or if you need a little bit more of clear instruction. Some more in-depth features we love about the SensAlert is that it can pair up to 3 devices. This is really great for if you have a grandparent or other parents and friends that need to connect to this SensAlert. So it's super, super helpful. Another feature we love is it has 3 alarm levels, which is super useful. This is a notification, a text, and call. So in the case that you need to be sent an alert, 3 minutes after you've left your child, you will get a notification to your phone through the Doona app. And then a minute later, you will get a call. If you don't respond to that call, the 3rd step would be 3 minutes later, a call and a text will be sent out to your emergency contacts. So emergency contacts, there's up to 5 people that you can add to your emergency contacts list. And these are gonna be those people that call and text are gonna be sent to. So this is super, super useful because no matter what, we're trying to keep your child safe with this SensAlert, and that alarm system is gonna do it. Another thing to note is that the SensAlert will alert you if your battery is low, and you can just go ahead and replace those batteries easy peasy before your next trip. And the fabric is machine washable, so you can just easily unzip it right there from the alert system, remove it and toss it in the wash. It's really great for those messy car seat situations. All right guys, so that wraps up our video about the Doona SensAlert. If you have any other questions, go head over to our product page. There's a lot more info there. We love this accessory to add on to your car seat. It provides a lot of extra safety for your little one, and we highly recommend it. Remember, you can shop for the Doona SensAlert at babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders of $95 or more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.